What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox and review the Jordan Maxin 200. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. So if you don't have these sneakers yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, right? Like Jordan box, we'll go with Jordan sign, right? Let me give you guys a 360 of these sneakers real quick, all right? Let me show you the bottom of the sneaker. Let me show you the top of these sneakers, okay? Now, first thing I notice about these sneakers, guys, is the quality of the material on these sneakers. They're very strong, very strong leather, all right? Very strong leather. Feel very good, and they don't feel like cheap leather either. They feel like good quality leather. You understand what I'm saying? Take a look at the ankle area inside of the sneaker. There's a lot of cushion, a lot of padding around the ankle area, so that when you're walking around, you feel a lot of comfort. Okay. Want to take a look at the tongue? Got the orange Jordan sign. Take a look at the back of the sneaker. It's got the orange Jordan sign. Okay. If you take a look at these bubbles right here, it's very good. You know what I'm saying? It's good quality. When I was walking around these sneakers, I felt very comfortable. You know what I'm saying? A lot of cushion from these sneakers. I mean, a lot of cushion. These Jordans right here are very good quality. These sneakers right here are 120 retail. All right, that's what you're gonna get them for. They're dope sneakers. They're very good sneakers to have. They're not gonna get destroyed easily, and they're Jordans. You know what I mean? On-court sneakers, if you're looking for an on-court sneakers, this is it right here. If you're looking for a sneaker just to walk around in, and you just like it, you just like comfortable sneakers, you like good quality, you love the leather quality, these right here have some good leather. You know, it's very strong. You know what I'm saying? This is a very strong built sneaker. This is not gonna get destroyed easily. I know that for a fact. Just by feeling it, just by walking around in it, it's a lot of color. This is a very good sneaker right here. Take a look at the bottom of that sneaker. All right, if you look closely, it says Jumpman in the middle. It says Jumpman right across. All right, and it's got the orange, you know what I'm saying, orange color at the bottom, at the bottom of the midsole, which looks so dope. It got the Jordan sign inside there. You know what I mean? This sneaker right here, I'll give these sneakers right here is definitely Sky Dukes approved. I give this sneaker right here, say an 8 out of 10. Okay, I've not come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel you're watching this video for the first time, please click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that share button, and if you're already subscribed to my channel, all right, and you're watching this video for the first time, click that like button, click that share button, and come back again. And until next time, maybe you might have these on, maybe you might not. Who knows? One easy.